Hey guys, how's it going? Good morning. Supercar Street Racing here again. Taking a look at two products here that we got for the Samsung S22 Ultra 5G. The first product here is the Torras case. Gonna grab my tablet here so we can do some close-ups of that guy while we're taking a look at it. But got the Torras case and the Refun screen protector, which is a pretty funny name, Refun. Almost like refund because they're gonna have to refund your money, it's so bad. But yeah, so we got the tablet here to do some video of the Torras here unboxing, and let's take a look at that. And let's see, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Hopefully my settings in Zoom are good here, but here's the Torras packaging. It's got a little lifetime warranty activation card here with it. Let's see if I can get some video here. Took a picture. Okay, so now we got this thing going. So Torras here, and we're going to look at the unboxing down here on the tablet. Here's a good look at the packaging that it comes in. Sorry about my thumb, guys. I got bit by a dog. No joke. There's the packaging. Here's a look at the box. And the back of the box here. And let's go ahead and undo this guy. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. There's the front, there's the back. It's got a metal kickstand here. Get a little bit of this for you up close on the tablet. It's also matte translucent, so you should be able to see the phone through it. So obviously we're recording on the phone, so I'll take some video of that installed on the phone after we take a look at this. Oh, here's the card that you scan for lifetime warranty. I actually don't want to scan it. Now, these guys are the Refun screen protectors. And by the way, this is all being shot in 8K if I didn't tell you guys. I'm gonna put this down and try to open the screen protector without a knife. I was ill prepared. Here's the Refun screen protector with a lifetime warranty. It says a soft, it's supposed to be soft. Hopefully my framing is good on this, so it's hard to tell. But it's supposed to be a soft screen protector. All right, so it's got a bunch of stuff in here that we need to take a look at. Self-healing. Bubbles will disappear in 24 hours. There's the what's in the packaging. Let's get out the tablet here. So we got this. Says that after 24 hours, bubbles and lines will disappear. And then we have the installation manual here, which I'll get on the tablet for you right now. We have some cleaning kits here, and we have the actual screen protector. You get 3 of them. So there's the 3 screen protectors you get with this guy. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take down the phone, and we are going to start shooting on the tablet and show the case and the screen protector installed. Alright guys, so we are back on the tablet now, which shoots in 1080p, but I'll probably convert it to 8K since the other video's in 8K. Here's the case. Here's the S22 Ultra 5G. Notice it has the cutouts on the back there for this. And let's see how that fits. Very difficult with one hand. Wait, I really need a GoPro. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. I'll be right back. All right, guys, got the case installed on the phone. Fits very well. I really enjoy this case fitment. And it is pretty sturdy. I like the way it protects the cameras too. It's got a ridge around the camera so the cameras won't lay down flat anymore, which I love that. It's got this kickstand, which I didn't expect to be this strong, but it really is strong. It's a metal kickstand, unlike some of the other plastic ones. So you can then put the phone like this on the kickstand. So yeah, this is a nice case. I really, really like this case. I can already tell I'm gonna highly recommend it. Now we're gonna remove the case and we're going to put on the Refun screen protector if I can figure out how. Alright guys, I'm not gonna go through the whole entire installation process of this because it's pointless. There's already a video online that I'll link you guys to, but it was pretty easy. You basically clean the phone. There's a squeegee. You stick down in the center of the protector, you pull one tab, squeegee it, do it again for the bottom tab, squeegee it, and then pull the top layer off and it's pretty much done. And then you press down the edges of it to get the film to stick to the edge. Hopefully it stays on that edge. And then of course now put it back in the brand new case, which I'm gonna do now. All right, of course I made an absolute mess here, but here is the finished product with the screen protector and the new case. And I've got to say, this came out amazing. I really would recommend both of these products and not this mess that comes with it. Sorry about the switching back and forth to the tablet. I actually need to buy a GoPro. That's like up on my list next. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll link to these products in the description.